materials, including nylon alloy steel. It offers durability and ease of use. Suitable for a range of applications, from electronic device maintenance to household repairs. It comes with a 36-month after-sale service and lifelong technical support. CAPRI Tools 20011 Automatic Wire Stripper. The CAPRI Tools 20011 Automatic Wire Stripper stands out with its narrow profile, allowing access to tight spaces. The stripping blades adjust automatically to different gauges, ensuring fast and consistent wire stripping for 24 to 10 AWG wires. With an ergonomic grip, this tool provides a single squeeze, gripping, and stripping motion, making it efficient and easy to use. Additionally, it features a built-in wire cutter, enhancing its versatility. Backed by a 10-year warranty, this automatic wire stripper is a reliable choice for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. FELO Automatic Wire Stripper. The FELO Automatic Wire Stripper, part of the Series 583, showcases German engineering excellence. With a stripping capacity of 24 to 10 AWG, 0.26.0 square millimeter, this tool ensures precise and clean stripping. Boasting a lifetime warranty, it reflects FELO's commitment to quality. The ergonomic design, blending comfort and functionality, makes it a go-to choice for various wire stripping tasks. With a weight of just 0.15 pounds, it's lightweight yet robust, offering a perfect balance for effortless use. Upgrade your wire stripping game with precision and ease. Unleash efficiency in every cut. Explore the best automatic wire strippers today.